Technology in business has become more complicated as the IT industry rapidly matures. Despite an ever-increasing number of options, there's never any one clear platform or program that best suits a company's needs. More often than not, the process behind a project is slowed down by trying to balance and coordinate various software and tasks. Sophistication has not resulted in simplicity or efficiency. GoLine SD knows that custom application development outsourcing can add invaluable efficiency to your company at cost-effective rates, if done right. Our team of experts have worked with complex businesses on a global scale to develop game-changing leading-edge enterprise and mobile applications built from the ground up and on many verticals. Working hand-in-hand with you from concept through development and release, GoLine SD acts as an equal, completely transparent partner in constructing solutions-based software to eliminate any and all productivity challenges to your business. By working in small, flexible, specialized, high-resource development teams, GoLine SD promises the ease of mind of offshore dependability for the reduced costs of an offshore firm. Finally, custom software that integrates your needs and provides simple business solutions. Contact GoLine SD today to get a quote. The software you need at the prices you want can soon be yours.